Welcome to the dDriven e-learning platform. In this guide, we will walk you through the registration process and show you how to access your learning materials. Step 1. Accessing the dDriven project website. To begin, open Google and type www.dDriven.eu. This will take you to the official website of the project. Once you're there, you'll have the option to choose from 6 languages. Step 2. Registering on the platform, navigate to the e-learning platform located at the top of the homepage. Scroll down to the registration form. Completing this form is essential to access the dDriven e-learning platform and its related training materials. In the registration form, you'll need to fill in the following mandatory fields: first name, last name, email address, country of residence, preferred language of training material, where options include English, Greek, Italian, Romanian, and Turkish. Type of learner, deaf and hard of hearing, individual or employer. Once you have filled out the required information, click Register to submit your form. Step 3. Account approval and email confirmation. After submission, your registration will be reviewed by the University of Deusto dedicated project team. Once your registration is approved, you will receive an email from Support ALUD. Inside this email, you will find your username, which is the email address you used during registration, a temporary password to access the platform, link to log in to the e-learning platform. Step 4. Logging into the platform for the first time. To begin using the platform, you must log in through the University of Deusto's website, as indicated in the email. Upon landing at the login page, you need to click on Other User Accounts. This option is for external users of the dDriven server. Copy and paste your email address as your username. Copy and paste your temporary password into the password field. Once logged in, the system will require you to change your password. Enter your current temporary password. Create and confirm a new strong password. Step 5. Accepting the site policy agreement. After changing your password successfully, click Continue to proceed. You will be required to read and accept the site policy agreement before accessing your dashboard. This agreement is available in Spanish or English, based on the University of Deusto's settings. Once you have read the general privacy policy, click Confirm to accept the terms. Step 6. Accessing your dashboard and courses. After accepting the site policy, you will be redirected to your dashboard. The main feature of your dashboard is your calendar. To find your learning materials, click on My Courses in the dashboard. Under My Courses, locate the course titled dDriven. Click on this course to enter the dDriven learning material. Step 7. Exploring course content. The course content is tailored to your user type. If you are a deaf and hard of hearing individual, you will have access to specific learning modules. If you are an employer, your course content will be different. Each module includes an assessment that you must successfully complete to progress. At the bottom of the modules, you will also find information about the partners and consortium members supporting this project. Step 8. Completing the course and receiving your certificate. Upon successful completion of all required modules, the responsible partner from your country will issue your official certificate of attendance. This certificate validates your successful participation in the course, whether you are registered as a deaf and hard of hearing learner or an employer. Employers can request to receive the employer's badge by simply replying to the email address they received their certificate from. The badge indicates their commitment as an equal opportunity provider, and there are 3 variations you can choose and upload it on your website and other channels. You have now completed the registration and onboarding process for the dDriven e-learning platform. You are ready to start your learning journey.